Hello everyone, this is Unit 1, Day 3, Expressions, Equations, and Inequalities. Today we're going to have a vocabulary time. Remember, for vocabulary time, I want you to do the major grade, which is you're going to write every word in this card, and on the back, I want you to write the definition and one example. Then we're going to do the warm-up. Solving for warm-up, we're going to skip it because we're not using the Get More Math yet. We're going to solve multi-step inequalities, set notation, and homework. Solving multi-step inequalities. This is one example. I'm going to show you how to do two of them, and you will work the other two by yourself. I'm going to do the two in the bottom, these are the longer ones. Number 2, we're going to start with number 2. Let me open it a little bit so you can see it better. On number 2, the first thing we have to do is distribute. We have to distribute this 7. We're going to multiply everything times 7. So this will stay the same, 28 minus k. I'm going to make this thinner. Okay, is greater than or equal to 7 times k is 7k, and 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Then we have to check if we have any like terms. I don't have any like terms on the left. I don't have any like terms on the right, neither. So we're going to go ahead and move all numbers to one side, all letters to the other side. So if we move all numbers to one side, all letters to the other side, I would like to move this negative k to the other side so my k's don't become negative. So if I move this one is subtracting, so we'll put to the opposite, which is adding. So we add k. Remember, when you're solving inequalities, if you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side as well. Those two simplify, 28 just comes down, so 28 is greater than or equal to 7k plus k is 8k minus 28. Okay, then this 28 is negative, so we have to add. So we add 28, add 28, those two simplify, and 28 plus 28 is 56, greater than or equal to 8k. Then the last thing we have to do is divide, because a is next to k. They are multiplying each other. Opposite of multiplying is dividing, so we divide it by 8, divided by 8. Those two simplify, and 55 divided by 8 is 7. So our final answer is k is smaller than 7. That's it for this one. Then I'm going to work number 4 for you. Let me clear. The whole page. Okay, to do number 4, the first thing we have to do again is distribute. We're going to distribute 3 with p and negative 3, and 3 times p is 3p. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Parentheses went away, so negative 9 minus 5p less than negative 3p minus 6. Then we have to check if we have any like terms. And here we have 3p and negative 5p. Those are my like terms. I don't have any like terms on the right side of the inequality sign. So 3p minus 5p is negative 2p minus 9, which just stays the same, minus 3p minus 6. Then we need all numbers in one side or variables on the other side. So we have to move, I like to move this one to the left because I like my variables being positive, because then you'll have to Then for the bottom part, I already fill it out for you. With your group, you will fill out in the blanks, but here's the answer. To solve a multi-step inequality, first, if there are parentheses, you have to distribute. Next, you have to combine like terms and then add or subtract. And the last thing you have to do is multiply or divide the coefficient in front of the variable to get this coefficient in front of the variable to be 1. Okay, then you have to write these notes down, but I already made this little paper, so you just have to glue it into your notebook with the steps. Set notation is a way of writing the solution set of an inequality as well as the domain and range of a graph. You start with a curly bracket, then you write the variable you solve. Next, add a vertical line, and then the last thing you have to do is write your answer that you solve and end with the curly bracket. Then you will finish the questions on your blue paper, and the last thing you have to do is your homework. For your homework is the last paper you have in your folder. On that one, you will do it in partners. One is going to do the front, the other one is going to do the back, and then when you come next time, you're going to check if your answers are the same. They are different questions, but the answers have to be the same. You will have to get the same answer. So if you have it right, you have to get the same answer. So that's it for this class. Just all you have to do is the blue paper and the white paper with a partner. The white paper is your homework. The blue paper is just glue it in your notebook together with the pink little piece of paper. And I hope you got it with this video, and have a great day.